Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze market. This is AD JP pair. This is uptrend market. There is no opportunity. Okay, we'll place a higher option. So I'm expecting make a rejection candle. That's why reason I place a higher option. Why? Because there is a level. Okay, there is a level. I'm expecting make a rejection candle. Okay, it's a rejection the level. Let's see, we have 10 seconds only. Okay, it's make a very strong rejection. This is a winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. So I'm expecting to make a retracement candle. So that's why reason I place a higher option. Break out the round number after this is a buyer rejection. This is a very weak candle. So that's why reason I place a higher option. Let's see. You can see some buyers enter the market. Next level at this level, round number. Okay, some buyers enter the market. Okay, if you like my analysis, try to hit the like button. And okay, we have 5 seconds only. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a very strong candles, but this is a resistance level. Sometimes I make a very strong bearish candle, this type of candle, but I am expecting make a bullish candle. This is a very strong candles. Okay, so many times it rejected the level. Okay, let's see. Have 10 seconds only. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll place a higher option. So I'll place a higher option. This can only make a retracement. This is a level. So I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Let's see. Okay. This is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. Okay. So this is seller's area. Support level turn into a resistance level. So that's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, this is a winning trade. This also you can see buyers enter the market. Okay, I have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a 50-50 chances. This is a strong candle. Sometimes it's make a marbuji candle, but this is a very strong momentum. Sometimes it's enter the market very strongly, but there is no levels at here. Major trend is uptrend market, so that's why reason I place a higher option. This is a buyer rejection. This is a small candle. Okay, this small candle sometimes are act the continuation sign or reversal sign, so that's why reason. Okay, this is also winning trade. Have checked the next pair. and this is a very strong selling force, and this is a uptrend market, but this is a 50-50 chances. Sometimes it's going to move down, sometimes it's going to continue the uptrend market, so there is no confident trade having that. Okay, there is no opportunity, and this is a buyer's entry point. Okay, this is support and resistance level. So after this candle, I will try to place a trade. You can see this candle already touched the level, enter the buyers. So we don't know after this candle some buyers or sellers enter the market. And this is a buyer's entry point, this is a seller's entry point, but this is a very weak candle and spinning top candle. Okay, we'll place a lower option, some marginal safety trade. This is only marginal safety trade. This is a bearish momentum. It's a downtrend market, so that's why reason I place a lower option. Exactly enter the after this minor resistance level. It little bit make a rejection. I won this trade. Can see. Okay, it's a very strong rejection, and this also winning trade. I have checked the next pair, and this is a ranging market. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a marginal safety trade also. Okay, very strong seller's entry. Why? Because first time entered the buyer's area, so that's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, sometimes are not working this rejection point. Very strong momentum enter the market. Okay, okay, this type of candle, maybe some news affected. This type of candle not follow the support and resistance level. There is a buyer's entry point. Okay, after this candle I will try to place a trade. There is a minor level. Okay, I will place a lower option. Still I am expecting to make a bearish candle. This is a very strong selling force, and this is a very strong seller's entry, so that's why reason I place a lower option. Next buyer's entry point at here. Okay, but this type of market sometimes are not respected the levels. Still I have entered the sellers candle. You can see this is a very weak momentum market. Again strongly enter the sellers after, so that's why reason I place a lower option. And this green candle also so many rejections at the sellers, so that's why reason I place a lower option. Okay, and this also winning trade. Okay, if you want pure candlestick psychology, this binary option, contact on my WhatsApp and joining my Telegram video course also. Okay, thank you.